launched a campaign against this Sati Pratha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Where have we done yesterday, beta? We have to start from the Ganga Brahmaputra basin.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ashray has sent me the PDF yesterday, right? Okay. Let's wait for all to join and we'll start.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes, sir. So yesterday had we discussed about this Ganga Brahmaputra basin? Have I shown you the video of it?
Yes. No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Begin with this first time.
Good morning.
We have explored life in the Amazon basin. Let us now look at how people live in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers together make up this basin in the Indian subcontinent.
Children, before we go ahead, do you know the meaning of basin? What does the meaning word basin means?
Ma'am,
And when two rivers meet, the land formed.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
No, the area which is drained by a river, right? The area which gets water from a river, the area surrounding a river is known by its basin, its river basin. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The basin lies between 10° north and 30° north latitudes.
Okay, children, can you spot the latitudes in this map? You can use
Yes,
the
ma'am.
pointers to mark it on the screen. You know how to mark on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me where is 30° north located, 10° north located, and 30° north. Show me on the screen. Can anyone mark it and show it to me on the screen? Good, Akshaj. Very good. This what have you marked, Akshaj? Arav, good. बेटा white पे white तो दिख रहा है बहुत आरव हाँ Arav Gupta good. Black is better. What have you marked right now? This is which degree? Okay, Arav Gupta, what have you marked? Mention it. Are you marking 10° north or 30° north? What it is? Arav Singh, what have you marked? Ashray, what is it? Which latitude?
Ma'am, 30 degree.
Okay. Okay. Right? I think Arav Gupta ने 32 mark किया है. Yes. So I think you can know what our latitudes are. Good,
Yes.
good, good, everyone. Okay, stop it now. Thank you, children. Very good. Stop it now. Okay, children. So you all have, you know what latitudes are, and they're saying that the Ganga and the Brahmaputra basin lies between 10-degree north latitude and 30-degree north latitudes, right? In those latitudes के बीच में आता है, right? So what do you think? Which area does it lie? Does it lie in the tropical area or subtropical area? Or both?
Ma'am, subtropical.
I think
Ma'am,
part
subtropical.
the part above the
Ma'am, both.
Tropic of Cancer is subtropical, and the part which is below the Tropic of Cancer, that is
Tropical.
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 Very good, very good, very good. Now
It is
stop
the
marking on the
subtropical
screen.
region. Look at the map of India. The Ghagra zone.
Ranvitya, who has marked this 32 on the screen? Could you please clear it up? Could you please clear your marks on the screen?
Ma'am, I've cleared.
Thank you, Arav. Thank you, everyone. Hanji. So look at the map of, can you see the map here? Now they are telling us the rivers which are joined. Well, you will tell me what are these. Let's see first.
Chambal, Gandak, and Kosi tributaries of the Ganga.
They are saying Ghagra, Son, Chambal, and Gandak, Kosi. They
Kosi.
are the tributaries of Ganga. We have read about tributaries and distributaries already. Could you tell me what does the word tributary mean?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Harsh.
Ma'am, tributaries are the rivers in which many small rivers join a big river.
Yes. The small rivers which join a big river are known as tributaries. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Fine. Okay. So Ghagra, Son, Chambal, Gandak, and Kosi, what are these all? These are all the
Along with
what? Ghagra, Son,
Tributaries
of which river?
Tributaries.
of
Ganga.
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 Very good, very good, very good.
some tributaries of the Brahmaputra River drain this basin. The basin can be found in 5 countries, which are India, Nepal, Bhutan.
Kids, can you tell me what what Brahmaputra is known by what name Brahmaputra is known in China?
Zangpo.
Zangpo.
Ma'am, Zangpo.
Zangpo, right? What is it known in Arunachal Pradesh?
Brahmaputra River. Brahmaputra.
And when it comes to Arunachal Pradesh, which river joins it?
Ganga.
Only Ganga. Any other as well? Any tributary you
Ma'am,
can?
Yamuna.
Gandhar.
Huh.
Yamuna.
And in Arunachal Pradesh, I'm asking you. Yamuna is not there in Arunachal Pradesh.
Ma'am, Indus.
Hey, Arav Gupta, Indus?
Hello.
Ma'am, it's Atharv.
Sorry, Atharv. Indus कहाँ से आ गई बेटा यहाँ पे?
ये यथार्थ तो फिर रणवीर आ रहा है क्या?
Indus is in the west.
Aditya Gupta, your mic is on. Hanji? I'm asking which river is joining Brahmaputra in Arunachal Pradesh?
Subansiri.
And
तीस्ता.
Lohit.
Lohit.
Chaliye.
Tibet, and Bangladesh.
Okay, so now the basin not only covers India, but it covers some other countries as well. Can you tell me which countries is the basin draining?
Bangladesh.
Yes. Tibet.
Myanmar.
म्यांमार में कहाँ पहुंचे भैया? कहाँ है ब्रह्मपुत्र म्यांमार में? कैसी बातें कर रहे हो बेटा? Can't you see my screen? Do you think Ganga and Brahmaputra are reaching Myanmar as well? And it is very clearly written.
I think it goes in Pakistan.
आरव अथर्व सिंह, क्या हो गया है बेटा? कहाँ है पाकिस्तान यहाँ पे? Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Athar Singh, could you please mark where Pakistan is on the screen?
No, sorry.
Ma'am, we can't see Pakistan only in the screen.
Wait. Atharv Gupta, could you please mark Pakistan? You said it is reaching Pakistan. Could you please mark Pakistan here?
No, ma'am. By mistake I said.
So be logical, no? So see, we
Okay, I'm
can
sorry, ma'am.
it's not reaching Pakistan anywhere, and it is very clearly written. As you can see, the river is draining. Both the rivers are draining in India, Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet, and Bangladesh. These 5 countries are the countries where you can find the basin of the Ganga Brahmaputra River. And which river drains Pakistan? Kids, tell me that as well now. I'm in a state of shock.
Ma'am, Indus,
Yes.
Ma'am, Indus.
Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Beas, Ravi, Satluj.
Exactly. Indus. And does Indus drain any area? Does Indus come towards Arunachal Pradesh?
No, ma'am. It is in the west.
Not at
No,
all.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah. Sorry.
It goes into Pakistan from Punjab.
Exactly. Let's move further.
Bangladesh. Can you name the states in India that are covered by the Ganga Brahmaputra?
Chalo guys, I'm going back a bit. Now you will tell me the states which the Ganga Brahmaputra basin is covering. बताइए.
Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam,
Hmm.
West Bengal,
Hmm.
Uttar Pradesh,
Hmm.
Madhya Pradesh,
Hmm.
Haryana, Uttarakhand,
Hmm. Uttarakhand,
Bihar,
yes.
Himachal Pradesh,
Exactly. Very
Jharkhand,
good, Arav Singh. Himachal Pradesh as well. Area.
Jharkhand, Rajasthan,
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Pretty much. Good.
Pura.
Good. Kids, have you made the maps in the notebook I have told you to? Please get the map done today. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll share in the group which all maps are to be done. Okay?
Bangladesh. Can you name the states in India that are covered by the Ganga Brahmaputra basin? Yes, it covers 10 states and 1 union territory.
See how many states is it covering?
10.
Can you name the union territory which is being drained by this basin?
Delhi.
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 Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Delhi.
Now be very particular.
Uttar
I think,
Pradesh.
and please, children, abhi the states would be mentioned here. Please take a screenshot of it and write this in your notebook. Okay? And you will also make a map where you will mark only the states which are being drained by the basin. Okay?
Ma'am, Uttar Pradesh is also.
Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, and
Please take a screenshot of this, children.
Haryana,
If you are
Chhattisgarh,
using from your phone or from your laptop, I request you to
Jharkhand.
take a screenshot of this. Okay? This is to be made and this should be written. These are the states which are being drained by the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, and you will also write on the same page. You will also write the name of the countries, right? Where the basin which the basin drains. Okay? Am I clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Bihar, West Bengal, and Delhi. The main features of the basin are the Ganga and Brahmaputra plain, the Himalaya mountains and foothills, and the Sundarbans delta.
So, did you find any variety in this basin? Do you find the basin variable? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We can see how the topography is extremely varied. What is the meaning of topography, children? Does anyone know the meaning of topography?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Topography refers to the land features of the area. Okay. What does it refers to? The relief features, the land features of the area.
We can see how the topography is extremely varied in the basin. The topography and environment thus influence population distribution. Can you guess where would people prefer to live?
You tell me. We right now just discussed that the area includes foothills, Himalayas, plains, and the deltas. Where do you think people prefer to live?
Plains.
Plains. Why?
Plains.
Because the
Because
soil is fertile and plain.
yes.
Soil is fertile, they are accessible, they are easy to live, right? A means of transports could be easily made there, houses could be easily made there, and number of reasons.
That's right. People would prefer to live in the plains and not the mountains. Why? Mountains have steep slopes and an uneven terrain, which makes it difficult to build homes, travel, and grow crops. Plains have fertile soil, and the flat terrain is suitable for human habitation.
What is the meaning of fertile soil, children?
The soil which is alluvial.
Ma'am, which
Okay.
in which
For
crop can be
growth.
grown. Ma'am, which is able to give a suitable growth for plants.
Exactly. So I could also say that soil which is full of nutrients. Okay. And Bhavya, I would like to correct you, bache. It's not only alluvial soil which is fertile. Your statement means that there are no other soils which are fertile. Do you all agree with that? Is only alluvial soil fertile?
No, ma'am.
No,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
no, ma'am.
But yes,
Plain soil
alluvial
is
soil
also
is one of the
fertile.
most fertile soil. ठीक है? बाकी soils भी fertile होते हैं, but हाँ, alluvial सबसे ज़्यादा fertile soil होता है. ठीक है? So if I have to give the meaning of fertile soil, I cannot say alluvial. Then I would say the soil which is rich in nutrient and would give a suitable growth to the plants. Okay, बच्चों?
Agriculture is mainly practiced, with paddy as the main crop. We can
Now, if I ask you why in the Ganga Brahmaputra plains agriculture is mainly practiced, what would you be your answer?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
If I'll ask you why agriculture is mostly practiced in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, what would be your answer?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am, as the
density of
land
water is
Ma'am, as
increased
the land there is very fertile and water is provided sufficient.
What is provided?
And fertility and
Cash
water is
crops
not a
like
problem there.
Absolutely correct. And now, Bhavya, you could have also included your point that because of the presence of alluvial soil, because this area consists of alluvial soil, है ना? As the area consists of a lot of alluvial soil, which is one of the most fertile soil, and the availability of water makes it convenient to grow crops. That is why most of the people are involved in growing crops or in agriculture in this area. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, could you see a picture of a lake on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What do
ma'am.
we call this lake? Which type of lake is it?
Oxbow Lake.
Oxbow Lake.
Oxbow Lake.
Very
For
good. Very good.
find oxbow lakes here. Population density is much higher in the plain.
What do we mean by population density? ये क्या होता है?
Ma'am, how much people live at a place?
How much?
Yes, ma'am. Amount of the people.
How many?
The
As
amount.
per thousands.
Not much. How many? In per square kilometer area. Okay. एक स्क्वायर कुछ 100 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स के एरिया में कितने लोग रह सकते हैं उसको बोलते हैं हम पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी. अभी I'll show you the map which will showing the population density of different states of India. But before showing the map, I would like to know from you, what do you think? Which states would be highly dense? बहुत ज़्यादा dense.
Ma'am, Bihar is the most has the highest population density.
Why?
Bihar.
Why?
Because there the area is plains and the soil is fertile.
Okay. And what about Jammu and Kashmir or Ladakh?
Ma'am, there is less
it's
population
mountainous
there.
region, so
Ma'am, very less
population
population
The
is
population
there
density would
compared
be
to
low,
state.
right? Because they are difficult terrains to live in, है ना? Because Bihar, UP, these are plains, they have fertile lands, है ना? These are easy terrains to live and survive in. यहाँ पे transport भी easily बन जाता है, घर भी बन जाते हैं, है ना? Crops भी मिल जाती हैं. So they are very convenient for people to stay, and that is why the population density is higher in such states. Okay. And the same goes for Maharashtra. Is that also an easy area to live in?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because it has fertile soil and it is located
Ma'am,
near the
because
coastal area, so the weather there is very moderate.
Okay. Yes, anybody
it is,
else?
ma'am, because it is a plateau and the plateau top is flat.
Because again, that's also a flat. And again, even Athar Gupta's answer is also pretty good. That's a coastal area, है ना? And it's very convenient to live in moderate areas. So let's go for see what here it is.
The number of people that live in 1 square kilometer of area is known as population density.
Again, click a picture of this. You should write this in your notebook. What is population density? The number of people that live in 1 square kilometer of an area is known as population density, right? You might have seen Google Maps सबने use किया है
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
है ना? तो जब हम इंडिया का गूगल मैप किसी भी एरिया का खोलते हैं, हमें कैसे क्राउडेड, अगर हम उसे बहुत जूम इन करें, है ना, तो कैसे क्राउडेड एक के पास एक के पास एक के पास घर दिखते हैं, isn't it? तो वो चिपके
Yes,
वैसे,
ma'am.
which showcases that
Yes,
कितनी
ma'am.
पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी ज्यादा है, यहाँ पे कितने सारे लोग एक साथ रहते हैं. वहीं पर अगर आप किसी ऐसी जगह का करो जहाँ पे लोग कम रहते हैं, तो वहां पे आप देखोगे घर दूर दूर बने हुए हैं, है ना, which will showcase that the population density of that area is less.
Density. Uttarakhand being a mountainous region.
Guys, could you see this map? Can you see this
Yes,
map?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
can you see the dots, the very dark dots and very closely associated dots are only in the which region?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in
It
Uttar
is the
the
Pradesh,
Ganga Brahmaputra
Uttar
basin.
Pradesh and
Bihar
Bihar.
and
Ma'am,
Brahmaputra.
Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Ma'am,
And
even
UP
in
and
Delhi
Gujarat,
and
these are
Haryana.
It is
most
the
of
Ma'am,
these.
Delhi,
Brahmaputra.
Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal and Bihar.
I know, and most of these areas are
The
being drained by
states
the river
connected.
Ganga and Brahmaputra, right? है ना? आप देखो रिवर के पास वाले जो एरियाज है कितने डेंस है ना? न्यू दिल्ली देखो कितना डेंस है, यूपी हो गया, बिहार, झारखंड, all these states are pretty dense, वेस्ट बंगाल.
Has a population density of 189, while West Bengal and Bihar have a density of 1029.
आप यहीं पे डिफरेंस देख लो, यूके की कितनी है 189 एंड वेस्ट बंगाल की और बिहार की 1029 and
Ma'am,
1102. So why is it this difference? Because West Bengal and Bihar both are plains and Uttarakhand is a hilly region, right?
1102 respectively, as per the data of 2011. Let us look at the climate in the basin. Winters are cool and summers are hot.
What do we call this type of climate, children, where winters are cool and summers are extremely hot?
Extreme.
Ma'am, desert.
Extreme.
Desert
Extreme.
कौन बोला है यार? Who said desert?
Extreme.
I am saying
Yeah, it is
Third.
known as extreme climate. क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम?
Extreme climate.
Extreme climate.
Due to the influence of the monsoon winds, the Ganga Brahmaputra basin has a monsoon climate. It rains from mid-June to mid-September. Paddy requires a lot of rainfall and standing water, which is why it is easily grown.
What is paddy, children? What is paddy?
Ma'am, it is a crop.
Which crop?
and it is a crop that can easily be grown in clay soil.
अरे तो ये क्रॉप क्या होती है, पैडी क्या होता है, मुझे तुम तो
And
बता.
dhan,
धान से क्या मिलता है?
atta.
आटा.
Ma'am, right.
Rice.
Dhan.
धान से क्या मिलता
Ma'am,
है?
it can
चावल.
easily grow in clay
Chawal.
soil because it has water. It has a good water retaining capability.
In the plain areas of the basin, food crops like wheat, maize, sorghum, gram, millets, and cash crops like sugarcane and jute are also grown.
Kids, why sugarcane and jute are known as cash crops?
Because they give a lot of money, as sugarcane is used to make
Yes,
sugar, jute is used to make expensive bags and clothes.
These crops are grown with the main purpose of earning money only. ठीक है?
Commercial.
Commercial purpose.
We can even find banana plantations in some plain areas and tea plantations in West Bengal and Assam. Silkworms are cultivated for their silk in parts of Bihar and Assam.
Did you know this? Did you know this that Bihar and Assam also does silkworm rearing?
No, I know that
Silkworms.
In the West Bengal, it is there.
It's also there in Bihar and Assam.
Okay.
Are grown on terraces in the mountains.
When we grow crops on terraces in the mountains, what do we call that?
Terrace
Terrace
farming.
farming.
Good. Very good.
Terrace farming.
And what is the difference between gentle slope and steep slope? अभी जो slopes आपको दिख रहे हैं mountains के, ये कैसे हैं? Gentle है या steep है?
Gentle.
Gentle.
Ma'am, gentle.
Okay.
Ma'am, gentle.
Okay.
And hills where the slopes are gentle. This is known as terrace farming, which makes the slopes
Can you see इन्होंने क्या किया? इन्होंने slopes को flat बनाया हुआ है. क्यों बनाया हुआ है flat slopes को flat क्यों किया है?
So, ma'am,
that
it can
people
prevent the
cultivate their crops
water.
over there.
Need to build steps.
हाँ.
So, ma'am,
ये
it can
steps
also
भी
prevent the
बनाते हैं.
water also.
हाँ, to prevent
Ma'am, it can
water.
prevent soil erosion.
It can also prevent water from flowing down rapidly. It can hold some water, वरना तो पूरा पानी बह जाता है ना? फिर वो क्रॉप कैसे absorb कर पाएगी सॉइल? थोड़ा सा वाटर रिटेन कर ले, सारा पानी बह ना जाए एकदम से, इसलिए ऐसे स्टेप्स बनाते हैं. ठीक है?
flat to prevent the water from flowing down rapidly. The varied topography causes different vegetation to grow. We can find tropical deciduous trees along with tea, sal, and people in the plains of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra plain is home to thick bamboo groves, while the delta area is home to mangrove forest.
Do you know what a mangrove forest?
Ma'am, a forest with a lot of trees and water.
Somebody else?
Ma'am, the area filled with many trees, roots, and mud.
देखो, mangrove trees are those trees whose roots also can be seen outside the ground, है ना? And they are
Ma'am.
mostly reaching the water.
We can find coniferous trees like pine, deodar, and fir on steep.
Coniferous trees कैसे होते हैं बेटा?
Ma'am, the trees that grow in mountainous regions.
And they are which shape? Cone shape. कैसी सी होती हैं trees? Cone shape होती हैं.
Cone
That
shape.
also known as, that is why they are known as coniferous, no?
Ma'am, they are like the Christmas tree shape.
Yeah, cone shape.
Steep slopes
And their leaves are very sharp.
in parts of Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh.
Where are silkworms cultivated?
Assam.
Assam.
वो ऑप्शन नहीं है ना यहाँ पे, बिहार है उसका.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am,
Now learn
when people tree can be also an example of mangrove tree.
No.
Okay.
about the wildlife found in the basin. Elephants, tigers, deer, and monkeys are some of the common species found here. The Brahmaputra plain is home to the one-horned rhinoceros, while the delta area is home to the Bengal tiger and crocodiles. The Bay of Bengal, lakes, and freshwater rivers are full of aquatic life. Rohu, katla, and hilsa are the most popular fish and form part of the staple diet of the people here.
Staple diet का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा?
रोज रोज का
Ma'am,
खाना.
the
Ma'am, it is
type
a
of
diet
food-
that is mostly eaten in a place which is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
common.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, like
Like
in
in
Uttar
Bengal,
Pradesh, we all
rice
eat
and
chapatis very usually in
Often.
West Bengal areas.
Common
They eat
Rice.
ma'am, they eat rice as the staple food.
ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Harsh.
Ma'am, the staple food means that these grains are prominent in that area.
And they're eaten prominently in that area. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, along with rice. The freshwaters of the Ganga and Brahmaputra are home to the blind Gangetic dolphin, locally named Susu. Their presence indicates the cleanliness of the river. Several big towns and cities like Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna, and Kolkata are located along the Ganga with populations of more than 10 lakhs. However, untreated industrial and urban wastewater is discharged into the river, causing major pollution and killing the dolphins.
आप लोगों ने भी छठ पूजा की जो पिक्चर्स और वीडियोस आई थी वो देखी थी?
Yes, ma'am, in Delhi also.
What did you see
Ma'am.
when you were seeing those pictures?
Yes, ma'am.
Man, there were garbage everywhere and there was clouds, like there was a snow clouds coming in the river.
Yeah, what was it? Snow cloud? What was it? Foam cloud? What was it?
Man, it was the chemicals released from factories.
Exactly, it was a chemical
Ma'am,
release.
ma'am, recently I had went to Faridabad and there Yamuna River near Faridabad there is Yamuna River. So ma'am, it was filled with foam water.
So this all happens because of what, beta? Why do we see that foam in the water? This dirt.
Ma'am, because of industrial waste.
Yeah. Even after very strict line guidelines have been issued, even then, what do the industries are doing? They still release their untreated waste in the rivers.
The Namami Gange program aims to conserve the Ganga. Can you
Who had launched the Namami Gange program?
Ma'am, what?
Who has launched the Namami Gange program?
Ma'am, Modi?
Modi. Who is Modi? Your relative?
Mr. Narendra Modi.
Minister. Ma'am,
Narendra Damodar Modi.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
जी रंजित रिश्तेदार है आपके बेटा? रणवीर रणवीर मोदी के पास चले गए क्या?
Ma'am,
Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi, just like Gupta ji said. Anaditya, what is his name?
Minister Narendra Damodar Das Modi.
Very good. Modi ji. हाँ जी.
Shriman.
Can you recall the name of another program aimed at sanitation? मोदी जी ने ऐसा कोई और प्रोग्राम भी लॉन्च किया है?
Ma'am, Nadi Utsav.
Ma'am, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Yeah,
Swachh
the
Bharat
most
Abhiyan.
popular Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. चलो.
recall the name of another program aimed at sanitation? The Swachh Bharat Mission, launched on the 2nd of October 2014, is another government initiative to achieve universal sanitation.
Okay, children, now we will click one similar picture of you all. Ranvir, Aditya Gupta, everybody has to bring one broom to the school. Okay, kids?
झाड़ू बना दोगे सर?
Yes, झाड़ू और टोपी पहन के.
ये क्या
Okay,
बात हुई?
children? ठीक है?
ये चाइल्ड लेबर हो रहा है.
चाइल्ड लेबर क्यों हो रहा है? चाइल्ड लेबर है?
Sanitation.
बताओ भाई, स्कूल खोलने के बाद यही करेंगे, ठीक है? ओके
The
किड्स?
Swachh Bharat Mission was launched in the year 2014.
नहीं, पहले ये बताओ, झाड़ू लेकर आओगे स्कूल?
नहीं.
क्यों? What did Gandhiji tell us? No work is big or small. Isn't it, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
No
Yes.
work is big or small. Every work is equal. Okay? And the leaders of the clan would be Ranvit and Aditya. Okay, Ranvit? We will divide the class into two teams. We will see which team cleans the class the best. Okay, children? Okay, kids? And then you can say हमारा नेता कैसा हो?
रणवीर भैया जैसा हो.
ठीक है रणवित? रणवित चलाइए मोदी जी के पास.
yes, ma'am.
Then we will send the photos to Twitter of Modi. Modi ji.
Exactly, Modi will be so impressed. Like, oh my God. What?
उनके पास 150 मैम उनके पास हजारों फोटो
Ma'am,
आती है.
children, children below 16 years of age are not permitted to do any work.
Arey, it is not work. It is keeping your
It is
surroundings
an activity.
clean.
It is an
It is
activity.
keeping your surroundings clean. Everybody is allowed to keep their surroundings clean.
But the children, the photos is there also children.
In the picture
then
also there are
Modi-
children. Yeah, very good, Priyanshi. See, all the Priyanshis are very talented, I told you. She has said a very good point. In the picture also there are children only holding the brooms.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, Ranvit and
Modi ji will-
Aditya will bring the brooms for everyone. Chalo, done हो गया. स्कूल खुलते ही एक्टिविटी है।
लोगों ने कोई किसी चीज पे ना
क्या बोल गया आदित्य गुप्ता? व्हाट डू से?
ये क्या बात हुई हमसे झाड़ी घुमाई, ये गलत बात हो गई।
इतनी अच्छी बात है, इतना मोदी जी तो इम्प्रेस हो जाएंगे। क्या पता तुम लोग को प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स ऑफिस बुला ले। चलो।
ऐसे तो होने से रहा।
अरे यू नेवर नो, इट इज अ डिजिटल वर्ल्ड, एनीथिंग कैन हैपन। जब गेमर्स को बुला सकते हैं तो तुम्हें भी बुला ही सकते हैं।
यस मैम, हो
है
जाएगा।
ना? चलिए। सो विच प्रोग्राम्स एम्स टू कंजर्व द रिवर गंगा?
नमामि
नमामि
गंगे
गंगे प्रोग्राम।
नमामि
नमामि गंगा।
नमामि
नमामि गंगे।
नमामि गंगे। हाँ जी। स्वच्छ भारत मिशन was launched in which year?
2014.
2014।
2013 or 14.
13, 14?
मैम 2014।
14.
14 14।
लॉक कर दें गाइस, लॉक
14.
कर दें।
यस मैम।
Yes,
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
यस
मैम,
मैम।
लॉक कर दीजिए।
14।
दिस इज फॉर 1 crore rupees।
यस मैम।
है।
यस।
ऐसा
लॉक
यस
कर
मैम।
दें।
यस मैम।
कंप्यूटर जी, क्या ये सही है उत्तर? ओ वाओ,
मैम
7 crore.
you
7
all
करोड़।
win 7 crore aura points।
आप दे दीजिए, हम लोग बांट लेंगे।
I
1
told
करोड़।
you it is 1 crore aura points you have received, beta.
Waterways serve as an
Okay, understood?
यस
आगे
मैम।
समझ में आया सब कुछ? आगे बढ़े।
यस मैम।
Okay, now let's talk about waterways.
effective means of transport along the rivers.
Can you tell me the any port which we have in Ganga Brahmaputra basin?
Sure.
Which state of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin would be having a port?
Ma'am, West Bengal.
Very
वेस्ट
good.
बंगाल।
River Hooghly. River.
West River Hooghly is a river. उस पे port कौन सा?
डायमंड हार्बर।
डायमंड हार्बर इन वेस्ट
An
बंगाल।
important port.
डायमंड हार्बर।
Hooghly. Yes, it's Kolkata. The roadways and railways are also well developed in the plain areas. Many major airports are also located in these plain areas. Thus, all four modes of transport are well developed in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin.
Is it also in the Ladakh and Rajasthan in the Sahara Desert? All the four means of transport are developed there?
नो मैम।
No, ma'am.
नो मैम।
मैम।
That's good.
Tourism is an important activity that contributes to the economy of our country. Some of the major tourist
Have
hotspots.
you seen that advertisement of Amir Khan, Atithi Devo Bhava?
यस मैम।
Why did the government launch that program? Why?
Ma'am, to encourage tourism in India.
Yeah, and why does the government want to encourage tourism in India?
like
Ma'am,
like
because it will increase the
their tourism of their tourism of other countries like visit Dubai and all, and that's why they launch
Ma'am, the
like everyone to encourage
GDP will
tourism.
increase due to tourism.
Yeah, because it will boost our economy. The more the people will come to the country, the more they'll spend, the more we'll earn, the better we'll be. It's all about money after all. Right, Gupta? Ji? Right, kids?
Lie in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The most prominent ones are the Taj Mahal in Agra, the meeting point of the Ganga, and
What is important about Taj Mahal in Agra?
But it is the starting of the Ganga.
It is the seventh wonder of the world, Baba. It is starting of the
I'm
Ganga.
video it said that it is the starting point of it.
No.
and the Yamuna at Allahabad.
What happens in Allahabad? Just
मैम
Prayagraj.
गंगा यमुना मीट
Meet.
गंगा रिवर एंड यमुना रिवर मीट।
What do you
Ma'am,
call it?
Ganga, Yamuna and
Sangam. It is
Saraswati
known as
river meet.
Sangam.
Sangam.
Sangam।
The Sangam. Guys, only 1 minute less than 1 minute is left for the meeting to get over. I'm starting the video, okay?
Prayagraj, Buddhist stupas and pilgrimage spots in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. The Imambara at Lucknow.
Can you tell right now the most popular tourist or religious tourist spot of Uttar Pradesh?
राम मंदिर।
Ram Mandir.
Ram Mandir.
यस यस।
Taj Mahal.
Manas and the distinct tribal culture of the northeast along the Brahmaputra. So far, we have learned that
हाँ जी, समझ में आया यहाँ तक गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र के बारे में सब कुछ अच्छे से?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow we'll do the book reading of this part. Okay. I think now most of it you have understood. Right, kids?
Yeah.
You like